Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and if you are not already, make sure you are following me on Instagram. I post a ton over there, and also, of course, subscribe to me here because I also post a lot on here, at least one video per day, sometimes two. So this video is going to be my mini vertical planner. I really love to decorate in the mini. I really love how small it is, but it also is the downfall that I found. It's a little bit too small. So I have a love-hate relationship with it, but I'm going to be using this new seasonal fall that I used last week in my catch-all planner, but I'm using it this week in my mini. I was thinking about using lots of these hollowed out leaves and doing a little, or not a little, I actually want to do a lot of like on the side kind of stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and start. There's also these that go perfect in corners. So I'm going to start with that. Okay, I think that's it. I really like that I put a lot of the hollowed out leaves on the side, but then once I started putting these stickers on the inside, it kind of feels like heavy on the inside, but not on the outside. I don't know. Maybe once it starts getting filled in, then it won't feel like that, but I don't know. We'll have to see. Okay. So let me see. See what it looks like. I like it. I like these two cozy quotes. All right. Look at this. Over halfway through November already. Insane. All right, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And until then, please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.